Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And this unit is for Charles in Westlake Village, California. It's the unit that I'm used to seeing out of a '69 Mustang. It also fits many other Ford vehicles, but at any rate, I offered this radio to Charles and he decided to buy it with the internal FM conversion and Bluetooth, and also my replacement aluminum push buttons that I only make for this type of unit because they're so brittle that they break pretty often. So I've managed to come up with a set of aluminum buttons that I use instead. Paint them black and they'll never break again. You'll actually break the tuner before you break the buttons. So let's go ahead and fire this puppy up, make sure everything works before we send her to Charles. I also have 2 Pioneer decks going to him, as well as 2 equalizers that I'm giving him free as appreciation for all the work that he sends me. So let's go ahead and turn on the AM.
Dennis, for your 2-weekend trial. Learn more about these USA-made grills at besthotgrill.com. Solaire Demo Rental Program at besthotgrill.com.
Left.
From the Kindred
Right.
Brothers, the creators of War
Center
Room.
the balance. Now we're going to activate the virtual front rear fader.
I just need some prayer support.
We pray that the Lord will open.
Fader adjust.
Okay, so you heard that. All the way front, all the way rear,
What kind of man do you want to
front,
be?
rear.
Isaiah,
Okay.
welcome to the Force.
Fader set.
Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard that. Okay, now we're going to move over to FM, which we do on this model by turning it off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Now we're on FM, and I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test.
El objetivo, yo creo que inmediato de la esperanza es Dios.
Okay, now we're going to try the A-Track. Now, one thing I know about this customer is that he wants as much treble as possible. So that means setting my preamp, the new A-Track preamp, setting it super hot. So you're going to want to turn this radio down before you stick a tape in. Okay, end of a sound there. Okay, automatic trick. Pull tape out, and radio comes back, and I've already tested the dial-light. You can't see it anyway with this with the room lighting. So she's ready to go back, or she's ready to go to Charles along with his other 2 units and his equalizers, and I'm ready to get on to the next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. To reach me for service, please visit the website in the description below, and please download and print the work order off my homepage before calling me with a bunch of questions, because that's pretty much what the work order is for. It'll answer most, if not all, of your questions as you're filling it out, and that keeps me on the bench where the work actually gets done. So I don't mind calls at all, but I do appreciate you doing that little bit of research before calling me and taking me off the bench. So thanks so much for watching and listening. Thank you, Charles, for your repeat business upon repeat business upon repeat business from Westlake Village, California, and we'll see you guys next time.